Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply verify your identity on WeChat Pay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are probably new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WeChat. I'm going to click on here to open up my WeChat. Then having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on me right here. Then click on Pay and Services. Then click on Wallet. Then click on ID Info. And you'll be taken right here. According to Chinese law and regulation, after verifying your identity information, you will be able to enjoy more WeChat Pay features such as balance and red packet transfer, receiving money and access other WeChat Pay services and higher payment limits. What you need to do is to simply click on Verify Now. Then right here, you'll be asked to enter your payment password. Then having entered your payment password, click on I agree. Then at this point here, click on Agree. Then at this point here, choose your ID type. So I'm going to simply click on here and I'm going to choose International Passport. So it has to be mainland China ID. So hit on OK. Then right here, you will need to fill up your ID detail. The name on the ID number, ID dates, issuer date, and the expire date on the ID, then address, occupation. Just fill up the necessary details right here. Once you fill up everything, and this button, the next button here is going to be green, then simply click on next and you will submit your detail. And in less than 24 hours, WeChat Pay is going to get back to you with a success message. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply verify your identity in WeChat Pay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.